Welcome back to our guide on how to use PVC Chick blinds. Let's take a closer look at the mechanism and operation of the product. Attached to the headrails is a cord locking system that controls the movement of the blinds through a set of strings. To lift the blind, simply pull the strings downward. If you want the blind to stay up, pull the cords to the side and let go. If the cords are left in the center and you let go, the blinds will come right back down. Why does moving the cord to the left or right even matter? The secret in this component here, called the cord lock. Both strings pass through a hole at the bottom, interacting with two rollers inside. The small roller is fixed and spins as the strings move over it. The larger roller, which has a rough texture, can slide up and down. Here's how it works. Pull the strings to lift the blinds. When you stop pulling, move the strings away from the blinds and release. The friction against the rough roller causes it to slide up, pinching the strings and holding the blind in place. To lower the blind, move the cord to the center of the blind and pull the string slightly. This action releases the roller. Let go of the strings and watch the blinds smoothly descend. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to operate our premium PVC Chick blinds. Enjoy the perfect blend of style and benefits to keep your spaces comfortable and efficient.